So, Google's next-generation flagship, the Pixel 10 series, is already generating buzz, despite the Pixel 9 lineup launching just a few months ago in August 2024. A new leak has provided confirmation that the Pixel 10 is indeed on the way, offering an early glimpse at what to expect from Google's upcoming devices. According to a report from SmartPrix, model numbers for the Pixel 10 lineup have appeared in an official database, revealing 4 distinct models: the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This suggests that Google will maintain its 4-device strategy, mirroring last year's releases. However, there's no mention of a Pixel 10a, reinforcing speculation that the mid-range model won't arrive until 2026. The leaked model numbers originate from the Global System for Mobile Communications Association, the official registry for mobile devices, making this information particularly reliable. So far, details about the Pixel 10 remain scarce. However, previous leaks have provided some early insights. Back in September, code names for these 4 upcoming models surfaced, though they offered little in terms of specific upgrades or design changes. More recently, reports have suggested that the Pixel 10 series will introduce Google's Tensor G5 chipset, promising significant improvements in AI performance, power efficiency, and overall speed. Additionally, Google is expected to push its computational photography capabilities even further with AI-assisted photo and video tools. These enhancements may include advanced editing features and generative AI, allowing users to create and modify images with unprecedented ease. Another potential change could involve the Pixel's iconic design. Leaks surrounding the Pixel 9a suggest that Google may be moving away from its signature camera bar, at least for its mid-range lineup. If this shift extends to the flagship Pixel 10 series, it would mark one of the biggest design overhauls in recent years. As for the release timeline, rumors indicate that the Pixel 9a could launch as early as March 2025. If true, this would align with an expected August 2025 announcement for the Pixel 10 series, coinciding with the official release of Android 16. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.